campaign that started in 2014 to spread awareness about Clean India has now become one of India's most celebrated and longest running public health campaigns. Yes, I'm talking about the NDTV Dettol Banega Swasth India campaign. At the start of the second decade, the campaign went to three major events: the Mahakumbh 2025, Davos, the World Economic Forum, and the Jaipur Literature Fest. And the common thread tying all this together was One World Hygiene. And who better to talk about this than Mr. Ravi Bhatnagar, Director External Affairs and Partnership South Asia, Reckitt. Ravi, it's a pleasure to have you with us today on NDTV Dettol Banega Swasth India.
Thank you so much, Ambika, and always good to come on NDTV and being a great partner to NDTV from over a decade now.
Absolutely. But Ravi, 2025, as we've started the second decade of the campaign, has been a special. I mean, if you look at the milestones, we've been across to three very, very important events. It was the Mahakumbh, which we went together. Then it was Davos, the World Economic Forum, and the Jaipur Literature Festival.
Yeah.
And the simple messaging, yet critical, which was One World Hygiene.
Yeah. Very interestingly, Ambika, like 2 seasons back, we curated the One World Hygiene together.
Gee.
And that was also the time when, we started, looking into the things from a very deeper lens. And we thought like world is a one platform, and anything what impacts a part of the world also impacts other parts of the world.
Yeah.
The classic example is COVID. There are other examples like Ebola, like MERS, like SARS, and many other pandemics and epidemics which have been happening over a period of time. So, and very nicely put together by our Honorable Prime Minister, which is, Vasudev Kutumbakam,
Yes.
where the whole spirit is like world is one family. How beautifully that was put during the G20.
Gee.
That this resonates with us very strongly, and we think like, we are a multinational organization. We are in many countries across the globe. I take care of South of Asia. The good practices, what happen in one part of the country, also happens, there's a possibility of taking it to the other parts of the country. सबसे अच्छा जो एग्जाम्पल है वो ये है कि डिटॉल बनेगा स्वस्थ इंडिया आज से 10 साल पहले इंडिया में चालू हुआ. उसके बाद में उसको एज ए हाइजीन क्वेस्ट रैकेट जो है वो अलग अलग देशों में उसको लेके गया. तो हमारे पास में अभी क्लीन नाइजीरिया है, क्लीन फिलीपींस है, पोरिचो बांग्लादेश है, होगा साफ पाकिस्तान है. और इसी तरह से ये जो कैंपेन है वो आगे इसका जर्नी जो है वो बढ़ता गया, एंड जर्नी इज कंटिन्यूइंग एंड इट्स कंटिन्यूअसली ग्रोइंग.
और जो मैंने कहा था अभी कि इट स्टार्टेड एज अ कैंपेन. शुरुआत एक कैंपेन से भी थी, लेकिन आज इट्स बिकम सो बिग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉन्गेस्ट रनिंग पब्लिक हेल्थ कैंपेन. रवि, शुरुआत कर से महाकुंभ की 50 करोड़ से ज़्यादा लार्जेस्ट ह्यूमन गैदरिंग ऑन अर्थ, वहाँ पे डिटॉल बनेगा स्वस्थ इंडिया ने बहुत काम किया. हम इकट्ठे गए थे. आई सॉ द वर्क व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग. उसके बारे में हमें बताइए.
First of all, Ambika, I'm very grateful to Honorable Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Yogi Adityanath ji. He has been a really inspiration. I remember my first meeting with him in Gorakhpur few years back when Japanese encephalitis was at peak, and he put all the efforts to make sure like there are no deaths happen because of the JE. There were a lot of system strengthening work what we did together. I'm also grateful to my one of the very important supporters, Karthikeyan Sharma, who was also with me at that point of time in Gorakhpur, when we actually promised to the government and we extended our all the support to make sure the Japanese encephalitis is under control. And we have been seeing like how that's been done. And there have been a lot of instances like, taking the diarrhea net zero program in the state of Uttar Pradesh to around 40 plus districts now by Reckitt as the Dettol Banega Swasth India, covering more than, 500,000 schools across India, working with the government of Uttar Pradesh on the India's first hygiene impact bond a few years back. We started a program which was just commissioned in the state of Uttar Pradesh, which was also there in Nigeria and other parts of the world. There was very good support what we got from Yogi ji and his whole team, from the Department of Health, from the Department of Education, from the Kumbh Mela Adhikari and many others. That brought us very closer to a very important milestone for the Mahakumbh this year. And the kind of support what we have received from the government, from the various departments, from the Kumbh Mela Adhikari, from the various other sectors, that's tremendous. Like we were among the first few, Ambika, who reached to the Kumbh, and our work started almost 6 to 7 months before the Kumbh actually happened. We saw some very beautifully done work by the government, like how you know the sanitation is taken care of, how the care of the sanitation worker is happening, the occasions, like some billions of occasions will be there. Last year we were able to create around 34 billion hand washing occasions through our school program. But like with 50 million people, it will be very, very interesting to see how many hand washing occasions we will be able to generate in the Kumbh. There's a big support what we did with the Navik Sanghs and others, and that's tremendous. That's very heartening to see we're able to make a very small change in a very big ocean, which is Mahakumbh.
Ravi, we've been a part of the Kumbhs earlier as well together. हम पहले भी गए थे, अर्ध कुंभ में भी गए थे, as part of the campaign also, Varanasi. How was this Kumbh? Of course, Mahakumbh था. कितना different था? Personal experience अगर आपसे पूछूं.
Yeah. So Ambika, I'm very fortunate. Like I have been to this Kumbh for at least 4 Shahi Snans. It was one of the very different kind of experience. जिस तरह से ये कुंभ जो पूरा सेटिंग था वो बहुत ही डिफरेंट था, स्केल बहुत डिफरेंट था, हाइजीन बहुत ज़्यादा था, वाटर क्लीनलीनेस बहुत ज़्यादा था, क्राउड मैनेजमेंट डिस्पाइट 50 मिलियन पीपल का आना, उसके बाद में भी क्राउड मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छे से हुआ था। उसके अलावा जिस तरह से सारे के सारे श्रद्धालुओं के लिए खोया पाया केंद्र और अराउंड 10 टेक्नोलॉजीज़ जो गवर्नमेंट ने इंट्रोड्यूस की वहाँ पे जी, वो बहुत ही यूनिक थी। मैं बोल सकता हूँ बहुत ही आईटी इनेबल्ड कुंभ था ये। और आप अगर देखते हैं तो इस बार जो खोया पाया था वो भी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग था। जनरली सब लोग जोक करते हैं कि यार मैं किसी को छोड़ के आता हूँ कुंभ में तो मिलता नहीं है, पहले ऐसी कन्वर्सेशंस होती थी, बट अभी ऐसा नहीं है। बहुत एक्टिवली प्रोएक्टिवली जो है वो कुंभ के अंदर खोया पाया चल रहा है। अलग अलग टियर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी है जो वहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, चाहे वो आर्म्ड पुलिस फोर्स है उत्तर प्रदेश की, चाहे वो हाइजीन वर्कर्स हैं, या फिर अलग अलग अखाड़े हैं, या फिर सिविल सोसाइटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है जो वहाँ पे हेल्थ हाइजीन सैनिटेशन पे जो काम कर रही है। तो बहुत ही अलग एक्सपीरियंस है। और एक पूरा अगर आप देखते हैं तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल जिनके घर हैं इलाहाबाद में वो अराउंड कुछ 20 लाख के आसपास हैं। और आप देखिए उसके प्रोपोर्शन में कितने बड़े नंबर में जो लोग वहाँ पे रेगुलर आ रहे हैं। मैं मानता हूँ कुछ लोग को असुविधा हो रही होगी वहाँ पे, बट आप जो बेसिकली एक रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट के साथ में जा रहे हैं, सो अगर आपको गंगा मैया बुला रही है तो डेफिनेटली वन हैज़ टू गो, and that's a once in a lifetime experience, I will say.
So Ravi, you've experienced it, I experienced it. So let's show our viewers, the scale of the Mahakumbh 2025 and the work that Dettol Banega Swasth India has done at Prayagraj. The Mahakumbh Mela is the largest gathering of faith in human history. But it is much more than a gathering. It is a profound celebration of faith, devotion, and unity. With crores of devotees and visitors in attendance, hygiene consciousness needs to become an integral part of the Mahakumbh. To keep the Kumbh clean, thousands of sanitation workers work day and night to maintain over 1 lakh toilets and to keep the tented city as well as the river clean of trash and debris. But what about personal hygiene? As part of its mission to transform public health and hygiene, the Dettol Banega Swasth India campaign is a significant presence at the Mahakumbh this year.
जो डिटॉल कंपनी का भी बहुत बड़ा इसमें योगदान है। हर कुंभों में इन्होंने जो है अपने तरफ से साबुन देते हैं हाथ धोने के लिए, और कैंप पहुंचाते हैं, सफाई का भी ध्यान देते हैं। सभी कैंप वालों को जागरूक करते हैं कि सभी महाराज साबुन बांट के कि आप लोग सफाई रखिए, अपना ध्यान रखिए।
We are trying our level best to reach out to all the sectors. In the Kumbh, we are working with the Kinnar Akhada, we are working with the Juna Akhada. One of the keys to success is a large volunteering force. We have more than 1,500 volunteers on the ground. Also plan to actually, educate others who are coming there through Nukkad Nataks. This is one of the lifetime opportunities to interact with millions of people, and they are working on the key messages on hygiene.
Spreading awareness and key messages around hygiene and regular hand washing. As part of the campaign, millions of soaps are being distributed at food serving areas across the Mela grounds to encourage devotees to wash their hands before and after meals. Additionally, the campaign will provide training in hygiene products to nearly 15,000 sanitation workers. Health and hygiene volunteers have also been deployed across the Kumbh, offering guidance and support to the pilgrims. By amplifying critical messages around health and hygiene, and by instilling hygiene practices in crores of devotees, the Detol Banega Swasth India campaign is reinforcing the importance of hand hygiene as a cornerstone for better health and driving positive behavioral change for a healthier and more sustainable future. रवि, आपने बताया कि क्या काम रैकेट ने किया है, लेकिन अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट कोलैबोरेशन पे आप बहुत ध्यान देते हैं एज अ कंपनी, यू नो. आपकी पार्टनरशिप थी परमार्थ के साथ, ऑन ग्राउंड पार्टनर्स थे. पार्टनरशिप कितना ज़रूरी है, यू नो, फॉर समथिंग सो बिग लाइक कुंभ?
अंबिका, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जो है वो पार्टनरशिप पे ही बेसिस होती है. आप एग्जाम्पल देखिए, इंडिया का जो मैत्री था कोविड के टाइम में, वो सबसे क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल है पार्टनरशिप का, जिसको हम अंग्रेजी में वैक्सीन डिप्लोमेसी भी बोलते हैं. जब वर्ल्ड एक दूसरे से कोविड के अंदर अपना वैक्सीन छुपा के रख रहा था, उस टाइम पे इंडिया वाज अ कंट्री जिसने अपना वैक्सीन पूरे वर्ल्ड के लिए ऑफर किया. उससे बेटर पार्टनरशिप का और क्या एग्जाम्पल हो सकता है. तो उसी को फॉलो करते हुए, और वैसे भी एज ए कंपनी वी मेक श्योर कि हम जो है वो पार्टनर्स और पार्टनरशिप्स के अंदर डीपली हम लोग इन्वेस्टेड हैं. आपका हमारा पार्टनरशिप की अगर बात करते हैं एनडीटीवी के साथ में, उसको भी 1 डिकेड हो गया है. वर्किंग विद स्वच्छ भारत मिशन, इसको भी 1 डिकेड हो गया है. वर्किंग विद द हेल्थ एंड फैमिली वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट, उसको भी ऑलमोस्ट 2 डिकेड्स के आसपास का टाइम हो गया है. उसके बाद में जल जीवन मिशन के साथ में ऑन एंड ऑफ काम हमारा चल रहा है, और 100 से ज़्यादा हमारे पार्टनर्स हैं इंडिया के अंदर.
और रवि, आपकी पार्टनरशिप परमार्थ निकेतन के साथ भी थी, काफ़ी काम किया ग्राउंड वर्कर्स, चाहे वो सैनिटेशन वर्कर्स को ट्रेनिंग करने, उसके बारे में ज़रा बताइए.
बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है अंबिका. परमार्थ निकेतन के साथ में डिटॉल बनेगा स्वस्थ इंडिया को काम करते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 10 साल हो गए हैं. पहला वर्ल्ड टॉयलेट कॉलेज हमने परमार्थ निकेतन के साथ में ऋषिकेश में किया था, उनके आश्रम में. वहाँ से बढ़ते हुए फिर अर्धकुंभ आया. अर्धकुंभ में भी हम लोग साथ में थे. अब महाकुंभ आया. तो चलो चलते हैं स्वामी चिदानंद सरस्वती जी को सुनते हैं कि उनका हमारी पार्टनरशिप के बारे में क्या बोलना है.
बनेगा स्वच्छ इंडिया तो रहेगा स्वस्थ इंडिया. पूरे कुंभ मेले में करोड़ों लोग आए हैं, और जो भी मिलने आता है या जहां हम जाते हैं या जितने कार्यक्रम करते हैं, हम तो एक ही काम कर रहे हैं. हम तो कहते हैं देखो भैया, पहली बात, मेरी गंदगी मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, और मेरा स्वास्थ्य भी मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, और स्वच्छता होगी तो स्वास्थ्य होगा. भारत स्वच्छ रहेगा तो भारत स्वस्थ रहेगा, और भारत स्वस्थ रहेगा तो भारत समृद्ध रहेगा और सशक्त रहेगा. और साथ ही साथ आरबी ने, रैकेट बैंकाइजर ने, डिटोल हर कैंप में हम लोगों ने हार्पिक्स और डिटोल्स को भिजवा दिया. वहाँ पर साबुन भेज दिए कि ताकि अपने हाथ धो ठीक से, अपने कपड़े साफ़ रखो, अपने हाथ को साफ़ रखो, अपने वातावरण को साफ़ रखो. और जितने कैंप हैं, लाखों की संख्या में साबुन बट रहा है, स्वच्छता के तरीके बताए जा रहे हैं, पपेट शो हो रहे हैं, नुक्कड़ नाटक हो रहे हैं, पूरी टीम काम कर रही है. मुझे लगता है बहुत बड़ा मौका है. वी आर लिविंग इन ए सोशल मीडिया एज, कि लोग बड़े जागरूक हो गए हैं. जब से भारत के ऊर्जावान प्रधानमंत्री जी ने ये स्वच्छ भारत निर्माण का आंदोलित किया, तब से लोगों में जागृति आई है. इस कुंभ में जब आप आओ, अपनी थाली अपना थैला, कुंभ कभी ना होगा मैला, ये भी साथ लेके आना. हम जब यहाँ आ रहे हैं तो ये ध्यान रखना है कि हम स्वच्छता को अपनाएंगे और स्वस्थ रहेंगे, और अपने देश को भी स्वच्छ रखेंगे. रहेगा स्वच्छ इंडिया तो बनेगा स्वस्थ इंडिया.
रवि, अगर हम बात करें ग्लोबल इम्पैक्ट की, महाकुंभ के बाद, यू नो, द नेक्स्ट बिग इवेंट वाज एट द प्रेस्टिजियस वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम एट Davos, where Banega Swasth India went for the first time. What impact do you see one world hygiene, you know, could have on globally?
Thank you, Ambika. It's a very, very interesting question. First of all, as we are talking about the climate change and going to Davos and the One World Hygiene, so would love to also thank, the Hero Motocorp. Also want to thank Aravali Biodiversity Park in Gurgaon. So how beautifully and serenely, this whole place
Absolutely.
is being developed and how well it is maintained. I'm sure this is also a very important inspiration for many to
Yes.
actually, come, see, observe and to replicate something same like this
In the
his-
center of Gurugram, you
in
know,
the
the
center of
millennial,
Gurugram,
yeah,
true.
absolutely.
So now coming back to our,
The World Economic
World
Forum,
Economic
yeah.
Forum in Davos.
Ji.
Very interestingly, the forum itself was, very great, where, the head of health at the World Economic Forum supported and gave his voice to our campaign.
Yes.
We could see the India Pavilion, and we could see how big support we got at the India Pavilion. We got the support from the others. And people were actually so happy to see our Hygia game and the bot what we have developed in 4 international languages, in Mandarin, French, Spanish and in English. We were just thinking, always we used to think let's put the hygiene in the Indian 22 languages. We tried it on 2nd of October with 7 languages. But we got really motivated and inspired when a lot of international communities started reaching out to us and saying why you are just, keeping it in your local formats. Can you make it more global? Looking into that, we challenged our teams and our teams challenged us, and we all came together with something which is now the Hygia bot in 7 Indian languages and 4 international languages. And very proudly, as per constitution, we have around 22 languages in India. By next 2nd of October, when we will be again together, NDTV and Detol, at Detol Banega Swasth India, we will be having, in all the 22 Indian languages, and I look forward to launch it together with you at the same platform, same channel. Thank you.
रवि, हम प्लेज लेके गए थे एंड द अमाउंट ऑफ सपोर्ट वी गॉट, आपने हाइजीन बॉट की बात की, तो हम आइए देखते हैं कि डॉक्टर कोमल ने डावोस में वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम में हाइजीन बॉट के बारे में क्या कहा और इतना ओवरवेलमिंग जो रिस्पॉन्स था वहाँ।
My name is Dr. Komal Goswami. I am the Chief of Party from Plan India, and I am here today at World Economic Forum Davos. Today we have specially bought our AI-based WhatsApp bot, which is called Hygia, which promotes good hygiene. We have come up with a solution that for children, for younger generation, through an AI-based WhatsApp bot, which gives queries and answer the solutions and reflect what good and bad is in terms of health and hygiene, especially among school-going kids, among adolescent and young people. इस बॉट का एम है जहाँ पे हम एक ऐसा दुनिया बना सके जहाँ पे बच्चे स्पेशली एक फ्री क्वेश्चन पूछ सके, उनको फ्री आंसर मिल सके, उनको नॉन जजमेंटल आंसर मिल सके और अपनी छोटी छोटी क्वेरीज सच एज पर्सनल हाइजीन एट इलनेस, हाइजीन एट होम एटसेट्रा एक अच्छे तरीके से सॉल्व हो सके. The special thing about this bot is that we have made this bot in 7 Indian languages as well as 4 international languages, and that's why we are here at World Economic Forum Davos, where the languages are Spanish, Mandarin, French, and English. So it's not just India that is benefiting from this AI-based WhatsApp bot for hygiene, but it is also the entire world. So this is basically India's dialogue for a solution on hygiene and hygiene-related questions and to the entire world.
Ravi, post Davos, we were at the Jaipur Literature Fest together. How important are platforms like the Jaipur Literature Festival to enable conversations on something so critical as hygiene and health?
Very interestingly, Ambika, Jaipur Literature Festival gives us an opportunity to connect to the thought leaders, to the authors, to the writers, and to those who actually really work and who actually write about how the world is shaping up. And in the world shaping agenda and narrative, hygiene as a foundation of health is one of the very important agendas. So the JLF actually gives an opportunity to curate something, a session with very interesting authors. And very interestingly, this year, one of the authors wrote about our work on the World Toilet College in India. His name is Jack Sim. And during his meetings with the ex-British Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and others, he did mention about it. I'm very glad the work what we have been doing together in India is finding a unique place by the authors, by one of the best-selling authors. So between this year and last year, 2 international authors have written about the work what Detol Banega Swasth India is doing. One is Mark Bala in The Toilet Warrior in Australia, He's one of the very interesting Rotary guys actually in Australia.
And you were a part. आपके
Yes.
ऊपर एक पूरा
He's
chapter
also
था।
yes.
आपने ground पे बहुत काम किया रवि।
जी. So he's also one of among us who is also been recipient of the WTO Hall of Fame. हमने साथ में ही WTO Hall of Fame हम लोग को मिला था मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलिया में 2018 में। बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी रहा और इस साल बेसिकली जैक सिम ने जो अपना बुक लिखा द गम्पशन ऑफ टॉयलेट मैन, सो उसके अंदर एक पूरा चैप्टर है वर्ल्ड टॉयलेट कॉलेज के ऊपर। तो हम बहुत आभार व्यक्त भी करते हैं जैक सिम को और पब्लिशर्स को, पेंगुइन को, कि जिन्होंने हमारा स्टोरी को वर्ल्ड प्लेटफॉर्म पे हर कॉन्टिनेंट में लाके खड़ा किया।
But Ravi, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, how do you measure the success of this integrated approach, you know, with that important common messaging, one world hygiene, at these 3 events? How do you measure the success? अगर आपसे मैं ये सिंपल सवाल पूछूं।
मैं बिल्कुल सिंपली इसका आंसर देता हूँ। इसका सबसे सिंपल आंसर यही है कि इंडिया में 500 एस्पिरेशनल ब्लॉक्स हैं।
जी।
पहले 100 एस्पिरेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स थे। अब अगर मैं आज 500 एस्पिरेशनल ब्लॉक तक पहुंच गया और हाइजीन एज ए बेसिक फाउंडेशन फॉर गुड हेल्थ को मैं वहाँ पे इनकलकेट कर पाया, तो बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होगा कि यू नो यू विल सी गुड चेंजेस। लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी में चेंजेस होंगे, सिकनेस रेट्स रिड्यूस होंगे
जी।
और ओवरऑल क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ बेटर होगा।
I think that's really well put. Lastly, Ravi, what next for Banega Swasth India? I mean, I know we are in the 11th season, makes it a longest running public health campaign. If you could share with us, what plans next?
So, Ambika, I'll keep this question answer to this question very short.
Ji.
We'll be expanding, we'll be looking forward to work with the existing partners and the new partners, taking the whole direction towards reaching all the aspirational blocks as we promised. Like we will be reaching to around 200 aspirational blocks in this year.
Yeah.
But we very strongly think nothing is possible without the support of the various pillars of democracy. Media becomes one of them, and would love to take the help of NDTV and many others to make sure the messages reach on time. The messages are deep, the messages are easy. Also, in this country, how we are seeing how the country is evolving and how the difference between the Bharat and India is significantly reducing by the various efforts led by the government and the people. Would love to take more support from the government. Last but not the least, I always get motivated to see my leaders in Reckitt, Chris, Gaurav, and many others I work with every day, and how they keep you inspired, how they challenge you to perform better, how they challenge you to make the things more meaningful, how they challenge you to make the things more simpler.
Yes.
So the essence is actually living the compass of Reckitt, and one of the very interesting and important leadership trait what Reckitt actually waits behind is the care.
Yes.
So care for the people, care for the country, care for the citizens, care for each other. And this will only happen when you can build the trust.
Yeah.
Trust is the foundation for everything and anything. And we really look forward to work closely with the various pillars of democracy in India. Also with the full-hearted support from our leadership. And I would like to put on record thanks to Mr. Pugalia from NDTV, who's been championing this cause as we are championing, along with the other team members of NDTV. Thank you so much.
Well, Ravi, it's a pleasure to have you, and it's interesting to hear how, you know, your leadership is your inspiration, but you clearly are an inspiration to so many for the kind of work which you're really doing on the ground and from your heart. Thank you so much, Ravi, for speaking with us.
Thank you.